Welcome, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers just like you how to sublimate and engrave candles. Today we will make mock-up candles because I don't need 600 samples, and neither do you. Okay, we're going to use Photopea today to make our mock-ups. Photopea is free, which is why we have this annoying advertising on the right, but that's all right. So we're going to click on Open from Computer. We're going to choose a photo that I've taken of my candle vessel, but it's a blank candle vessel. It will just take a few moments to load. Taking photos of my own vessels before I sublimate them make them the perfect mock-up. Once it's loaded into Photopea, we're going to go to the left, click on File, then Open in Place, and I'm going to choose my design that I have downloaded as a transparent file. We download our designs in transparent for this reason. So you see how it just places it on top? I can move it around and resize it. I want to make sure it's around the size of my candle vessel. Once I've got it about where I want it, I'm going to go over here to Edit. In the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click on Transform and then Warp. It's thinking. The Transform and Warp options are how we are going to magically create our mock-up. Now I'm just going to pull this down, and I'm going to use all these little squares and circles to shape it around the vessel. I'll pull it down like this around the vessel so that it looks like our design is part of the vessel. Now, I want to make sure, obviously, that this is going to look like it does when I really make it. So I'm not going to do anything weird with colors. Now I'm going to go over here and click on this little pie icon and choose brightness. It's hard to see, but the little brightness icon is in the lower right-hand corner. It's a circle half filled with white. I'm going to up the contrast and up the brightness a little bit until I get it where I want it. It really is a great way to brighten up your photos as well. And once I've done that, there's my mock-up, guys. I can then just click File and either save it to the picture that was already on my hard drive, or I can export it, which is going to then not save over the original picture, and then I can save it. Oh, let's see. And then it's saved to my hard drive. Brilliant. And now we have our final result, a beautiful mock-up we can insert into our Etsy store or online web store. Here is a recap of the steps we just took. Step 1, go to photopea.com. Step 2, click File, Open from Computer, and select one of your blank mock-up photos. This should not be a transparent file. Leave this window open. Step 3, go to File, Open in Place, and choose your transparent design file. This will open your artwork and place it right on top of your candle. Step 4, size your design by pulling the corners of the rectangle and position it so it fits the center of your candle vessel. Step 5, click Edit, Transform, Warp. Step 6, use the little dots and squares to shape your design to the candle surface. This part takes a little practice. Step 7, when you're happy with your design, go to File, Save, or choose Export as PNG if that works better for your Etsy listings. Pick the method that makes it easy for you to find your file when uploading. If you have any questions about using Photopea for mockups, drop them in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. Your candle art deserves to shine, and mockups are a big part of that. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you received value. And as always, keep glowing the candle artist way. See you next time.